Welcome to the Manage View video. In this video, I'm going to cover the functionality of the Manage View page. The Manage View page is broken into two main areas. The top area is the active view. It displays the ordered list of screens contained in the view. Screens that are placed into the view will be shown on the monitors that are connected to its display address. The lower area is the screen library. This is where you manage the screens that you have created. These screens will not show up in the display monitors until they have been moved into the view. I already have 3 screens in my library. Let's move one of them up to the view. To do this, you can simply drag and drop it into the view. In the top right area of the view is the Screen Status Summary. This area provides a count and status of your screens. The green circle labeled Active indicates the number of screens that are currently being displayed in the view. The blue square, labeled Pending, indicates the number of screens in the view that will start displaying automatically in the next 3 days. This is based on the screen's assigned start date. The red hexagon, labeled Expiring, indicates the number of screens that will be automatically removed from the view in the next 3 days. This is based on the screen's assigned end date. There is one important thing to note about scheduling screens. Screens will not be automatically moved into the view on their scheduled start date. You need to move them into the view. Then, they will start being visible on their start date. Now that there is one screen in the view, notice that the screen count is 1 and the active status is 1. If at any time you would like to see a preview of the view, click on the Preview tab located in the upper right corner of the view area. This will open a preview panel where you can see all the animated screens in your view and what they will look like on the monitors that are connected to the display address. I'm going to move another screen up to the view. Now there are 2 active screens and the active status count is 2 as well. 2 additional settings can be seen in the active view area: randomized screens and background music. When the randomized screen box is unchecked, screens will play in the order they are placed in the view. Once the last screen in the view has played, it will loop back and continue to play through the screens in the same order. If you decide you want your screens to be shown in a random order, click on the randomized screen link. This will take you to your view setup page. There, you can click on the randomized screen order checkbox and save the change. Now the screens will be displayed in a random order. I'm going to move up another screen so we have 3 screens in the view. Let's say you want to have a couple screens always play in order, even though randomized screens has been turned on. To do this, click the link icon between screens to lock them together. When the link is solid green, it is active, and these screens are locked together. So when the first screen is played, the next screen will always play after it. I'm going to click on the randomized link again and uncheck the randomized screen order. Another setting in the view setup is the background audio. This lets you play looping audio throughout all the screens in a view. If you want background audio, click on the Choose Audio button and then select and upload your audio clip. I'm not going to save background audio for this demo, so I will click Save View to save. To reorder screens in your view, you can simply drag and drop a screen to another position. On each screen thumbnail, there is a menu of options. Click on the 3-line menu icon to open the menu. Click on Preview to see an animated preview of the screen. Click on Edit Screen to load the screen in the screen editor where you can make changes. Click on Change Position to change the placement order of the screen within the view. I'm going to click on this and change this screen's position to 3. Notice the screens reshuffle their position, and now this screen is in the 3rd position. The last item in this menu is Remove. Remove is not delete. It just removes the screen from the active view. After I click Remove, I'm asked to confirm that I want to remove this screen. I will confirm, and now the screen has been removed from the view. The screen is still available in the screen library, though. Those are the menu functions on a screen in the view. The menu on a screen in the Screen Library provides a similar set of functionality. Click on Preview to see an animated preview of the screen. Click on Add to View to add a screen to the view. From the open panel, select the position where you would like the screen to be placed. I'm going to select the last position for this screen. Now the screen has been added to the last position in the view. Click on Edit Screen to load the screen in the screen editor where you can make changes. Click on Duplicate Screen to create an identical copy of this screen. The last item in this menu is Delete. Use this selection if you want to permanently delete a screen. Those are the menu functions on a screen in the Screen Library. To create a new screen, click on the Add Screen from Template button, which is found in the top right corner of the Screen Library area. On the right side of the Screen Library, there are also some tabs. These tabs contain filters and a search that can help you find a screen in your Screen Library. You can sort the Screen Library by date, name, or status. You can filter by all, active, pending, expiring, or inactive. You can also enter text in the search field to search by screen name and screen tags. I'm going to enter the word beer into the search and click Apply so you can see how this works. This returns the screens that have the word beer in their name or in their tags. I'm going to go back to the search and clear out beer and apply. Now all the screens are showing up again. There are also paging controls at the bottom of the Screen Library. This is helpful if you have a large number of screens in your Screen Library. This is the end of the Manage View video. For more information, check out our other Help Guide videos or the Help Manual, which can be found under Help Guides. Thanks for watching!